sisters. In this video, we are going to show you how to make very easy kinetic sand. Yep. And why I like kinetic sand, because it reminds me of building sandcastle and it's soft. And I like kinetic sand because it reminds me of the beach, and kinetic sand is kind of like slime, but it's not, and it's sandy. And the best part about kinetic sand is that it's like slime, but it does not stick to clothes, and my mom appreciates that. And we got sparkle sand from our art store, and I chose out green, and I chose out violet. Why I like this color? Because it's violet and it's my favorite color, and it's pink and purple, so that makes violet. And we are going to start making it now. First we need 1 teaspoon of water. And the next ingredient is 5 drops of dish soap. And the next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And the next ingredient is 2 teaspoons of glue. And the next ingredient is half a teaspoon of liquid starch. Now let's mix. Thank you so much, slime. It feels so much like slime. And now it's time to add the sand, and just do little by little until you think it's enough. Now we're gonna use our hands. It's like kinetic sand, guys. Now this is our kinetic sand, and this is what it should look like. And this kinetic sand is super duper fun. And it's soft and gooey and not sticky. Kira, can I have a little piece of yours and let's mix and see what it looks like. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. These look like green crystals. And for the ingredients, check the description below so you can find where to get the ingredients. So that was our video for today on how to make kinetic sand, and Everly and I could just play with this all day and have lots of fun. And go ask an adult to help you make this kinetic sand today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please smash that subscribe button. Thank you. We love you very much. Have a wonderful day.